I wanted to do a really quick video just in case there was any confusion at all about my recent tutorial on the tuck lace tank topper about how it goes together. It goes together with just 2 panels. To some people that sounds confusing, so that's why I wanted to show it. One panel goes over the shoulder and across the back, so you're getting the front and the back. You sew up your side seams, and then you're gonna sew up the middle and up the back. Because of the tuck lace pattern, when you do the mattress stitch, like I show in the video, because of the lace pattern, you don't really see that seam in the middle. So it doesn't look like a typical top that's made like this. A lot of times these 2 panel tops that are done like this, you can see that middle seam, or sometimes you could do like a decorative seam so it's not really as noticeable that it's a seam in the middle of your top or in the middle of the back of the top. But because of this tuck lacy pattern, it disguises that seam really well. That's one of the things I liked about coming up with this stitch pattern for this very simple top that I could make really quickly. So I hope that explains how just 2 panels can turn into an entire top. Hope you're doing something creative today. Y'all have a good one.